Hello friends, this video is all about RRBPO mains exam which is going to be held in 25th of this month, and some of the tips which in the last days which will be helpful to you to achieve a bit more marks which you are already been expecting. Last 1 week, this could increase your marks by 10 marks. Yes, as you already know, in the banking preparation, last 1 month is very crucial in your preparation. I have accumulated this data by the people who have already given the exam and who are already successful, has shared their experience with me that last 1 month is very crucial, and the last 1 week is very deadline that you have to prepare very well so that you will get marks which are more than the cutoff. As you already know, after the mains exam there is an interview. In this interview, people who perform a bit more than people who get a bit more marks in the mains exam along with the interview marks, they will get selected. So in this 1 week, what are the tips which I assume are very helpful to achieve marks which are a bit more than cutoff? Let's see. So we'll analyze who are successful people and unsuccessful people in the exam. As a successful selection, to achieve the successful selection you have to achieve cutoff marks, along with that additional marks which will help you for the selection. And one main thing is, in your unsuccessful selection, is lack of focus in mock test. If you are if you lack focus in mock test, then it will be a disaster in your selection. You may or may not be selected. Even if you selected also, you will not achieve the desirable marks. And spending less time on preparation, this is a very important thing where people lack. Everybody will be preparing, but spending ample amount of time in preparation will take you to success. So let us see some tips which will be helpful for you to be successful. One thing is clearly the mock test. The entire preparation is one side and mock test is on other side. 90% of your preparation in the final days will be based on your mock test. Until now, whatever you have studied, whatever you have accumulated the data, wherever you have, whatever the sources you have studied, that's one side. In this last week, the very important thing is, one, you have to give mock test every day. So give test as if it's your real time test and you are sitting in the exam hall. You should think that you are in the exam hall right now, and you have to give your 100%. Then stay focused throughout the exam and take a break now. After giving the exam, take a break and review the exam, then find where you have made the mistakes. This is very important. Every day you have to give the test and then you have to review the test. That's one thing you have to do every day. And the other thing is current affairs plus GK. As we all know, current affairs play a very important role in getting maximum number of marks, because whatever you have studied, it will be displayed on the examination. It's other than quantitative aptitude or even reasoning, you have to perform well in the examination depending upon the question you get. But in current affairs, whatever you have studied, you will get that. If you get a question in the current affairs and you have at least studied it once in your preparation, then you will get an answer. The first response you get in the mind, remember that that will be your, if ever you have studied in your preparation, you will get 100%, it will strike in your mind. So even last this last week you have to completely by heart these current affairs, and even the GK thing you have to by heart the things. Last 3 months is very important. Last 3 month current affairs are very important. I hope you are studying capsule also. Many websites have already released the capsule, and many of you would be studying month wise, so last 3 months is very important. So focus on current affairs you have missed and revise the last 3 month current affairs, also GK. So focus on these 3 months current affairs and something which you have missed. Study everything which could be possible, and spend most time on time that. And computers, spend 30 to 40 minutes on computers. Even if you haven't studied computers till now, it is your high time now you study the computers, because it will also play a crucial role in achieving your success, because even 1 mark will give you to achieve the job. So even if you have missed something in the current affairs, please read the computers and finish it as soon as possible. I personally recommend go through all the computers material, download any material which you get in the website, and go through all the computers. Even you know or don't know, just by heart the things, because there is less time. Other than knowing, if you buy hard, if it will may it may strike in your exam, you may remember in the exam. So this will be a last chance, you have to focus on this. So these are the three tips, like mock test, current affairs, and computers. Other than this, please stop doing anything. You don't have to prepare quantitative aptitude or reasoning now. Whatever you have studied, you have to perform in the mock test. So the mock test will show you, reflect you the marks, and you should focus on whatever the mistakes you have done. Thank you. That will be all for today. Hope you crack the exam. All the best for your bright future.